chili powder, kala chana, coriander powder, garam masala, kali masoor dal, tur dal, rajma, oil, washing powder, vinyl dishwash, liquid dishwash है ये? Okay. Vinyl, some more oil, and rice and sugar. I recently got this dress from Meesho and I'm absolutely in love with this. So if you're looking for a shopping app to buy, Meesho is the one to watch out. They have like good casual dresses, and yeah, that's it. Not sponsored, but yeah, check it out and let me know how you like it. ordered something from this really interesting restaurant called Samosa Singh, and look at this packaging, guys. I mean, food trivia, samosa facts. Ooh, oh my god, I love such creative packaging. And oof, look at this packaging. Oh my gosh, I love. And then we ordered chicken tikka samosa and chole bhature. Really highly recommend. Not sponsored, but highly recommend. So I ordered some things from Skin Craft. Now if you don't know what Skin Craft is, then they make customized skin and hair products. This is not sponsored, but basically I just took a 5 minute quiz and then I told them about my hair goals. So basically they customized the shampoo for me. So this is suitable for my hair and for my hair goals. So I'm really excited to try this out. They gave me a shampoo, a conditioner and a serum. So yep, let's see how this goes. I pierced my nose. It wasn't as painful as I thought it would be. So yeah, I'm so obsessed. Finally, I did it. I want to pierce my ear too. I'm thinking here and then somewhere above on the cartilage, but we'll see how that goes. Anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I know that this was kind of all over the place. I haven't uploaded in 2 weeks. Schedule just has been totally crazy, so please spare me this time. But yeah, regular vlogs are coming. I am pumped, and yeah, thank you so much for sticking till the end. Do like and subscribe if you liked the content, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys. Also do comment how do you think this looks. Bye.